Bill, remind us why SEC approval for an ETF would be so important for Bitcoin's wider adoption and indeed investment.
Well, it gives that sign off on the regulatory agency, and regulatory headwinds have been the key reason why Bitcoin has been going down. It will open the doors for larger adoption. You'll see institutional adoption, and potentially, you may not be seeing people pay with Bitcoin to go to 7-Eleven and get a Slurpee, but ultimately that institutional adoption, and then the adoption of blockchain on other aspects. You're already starting to see blockchain adopted across many facets of institutional as well as administrative levels. But this will, again, give it that quote unquote sign off and allow it to be adopted on a larger basis. I mean, ultimately here it's, there's news on a daily basis on Bitcoin. I mean, you can pay attention to it, but is it really that important? That's the question. I mean, if you're in it and you're invested in it, you're invested for the long term. I really personally do not care about the $500 swings in Bitcoin on a day-to-day or a week-to-week basis. If you believe in it, you buy it, close your eyes, and see where it is down the road here in another 12, 18 months.
It's time for Futures in.
So I totally agree with this. This is some of the best advice that he's giving. For me, I'm just going to continue to buy because, like I said, prices like this with the market cap getting closer and closer to 200 billion hasn't been this low since November. So yes, the ETF is delayed, and yes, I don't think the ETF is going to come out, or positive news probably won't come out for the month of August and possibly September, but I still think if you are someone that can hold for 6 months to a year, this is where you continue to buy this dip. And I think the long-term outlook is fine with cryptocurrencies. And I'm not really looking at this at a 3-month hold or a 6-month hold. I'm holding for over a year. And I still do believe that there is a possibility, it becomes more and more of a long shot, that we could see Bitcoin hit 20,000 by the end of the year. I'm still sticking to that. Especially if we get the ETF released. I do believe there's going to be a huge swing in crypto again. But let me know your thoughts on this, and I will talk to you guys soon.